Look, if you're living in Delhi NCR and you're still wondering what do I do this weekend, where do I go this Saturday, then you're doing it all wrong because Gurgaon is the only answer. The vibes here are unmatched, cafes, aesthetic, and the food, oh bhai, lazeez, zara try karke dekho. Whether it's the ruggedness of the Leopard Trail or one of the very few but magical and hidden places, Gurgaon is the undisputed king.
Undisputed? Yash, please. Your cafes are basically just overpriced glass boxes in the middle of traffic. If you want greenery, the actual soul, and lighting that doesn't require thousands of filters, hey, you come to Noida. We have space, the chill factor, the actual chill factor, and honestly speaking, better backdrops for the gram.
Better backdrops?
Yes, of course.
All you have is wide roads and some more wide roads. Gurgaon has character, bro.
Really?
Yeah.
Gurgaon has floods, bro.
Pow.
Okay, cool. Let's settle this.
Okay.
2 cafes in Gurgaon, 2 cafes in Noida. We'll do a proper shootout, but not just us.
Let's involve our Digit crew because if we can please them, then we can please anyone.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. हाँ भाई, कहाँ पे हो? देखो मामला हो गया, मैटर हो गया.
चलते.
We have
Go
to
to
prove
right,
that
we have to go to
Gurgaon
Gurgaon and Noida
is
for the
the
shoot.
king. Alright guys, the team is here. In total, there's 6 of us and a special guest.
So Yash, how are you planning to fit all of us in a single frame without half of the team being cropped out?
Don't worry, that's exactly why I have the Oppo F33 Pro with me. It's got a 50 megapixel primary camera along with a 2 megapixel portrait camera. Towards the front is what brings even more magic. It has a 6.57-inch AMOLED display with high refresh rate and 1400 nits of peak brightness. On top of this beautiful panel, you spot the front camera that has a 100-degree field of view on its 50 megapixel ultra-wide sensor.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
A little later.
And so, we began the Group V challenge by driving to Leopard Trail in Gurgaon, which sits nestled in the Aravlis and has a number of nice cafes. So this is our first cafe. It's called Echoes of the Leopard Trail. Just look around you. Everything feels like Pinterest pins have come to life. Usually, when you have these many people, the person on the edge gets stretched out or the HDR fails because of the bright sunlight right behind us. But the Oppo F33 Pro is handling the skin tones perfectly. Whenever it detects more than 2 people in the frame, the front camera on the Oppo F33 Pro automatically switches to the ultra-wide angle 0.6x to capture everyone in the frame. It's called automatic wide angle adjustment and it can make clicking group selfies easier and faster by ensuring everyone fits into the shot without manual adjustment.
While these nifty little features are great, I want to see how it handles the chaos at Jugnu. It's darker, moodier, and has got that biker's vibe. If the sensor cannot handle the low light, I think your group fee is gonna look like a muddy mess.
आपका हो गया हो तो मैं जरा ब्रेकफास्ट कर लूं अपना.
Please, please.
A few moments later.
ये अपना दूसरा वेन्यू.
Yes, my friend suggested me this place.
Okay, but like you described, dark, dungy, grungy, shadowy place. ऐसा वाला तो है नहीं. It's looking very pleasant inside.
Listen now, Yash, Noida is still better.
Hey, चल अबे good night. Let's
Please,
check
please,
out.
yeah, please.
हाँ, चल. Similar to the echoes of the Leopard Trail, the vibes at Jugnu were bright, lively, and completely opposite of what Krishika expected and explained. Here also, we got to see the power of the front camera on the Oppo F33 Pro that was able to capture the entire group with natural skin tones, punchy colors, and sharp details. As for a typical smartphone, this could have been a little more challenging as the sun was right above our heads. Usually, you get to see messed up shadows and washed out colors on human faces when you capture selfies or group feeds in such lighting. But with the Oppo F33 Pro, as you can see, it captured great results and handled the chaos very well. Alright guys, Gurgaon was hit. We've got the shot. The food was great. I think Gurgaon wins. Let's just call it a day. And
Very nice try, Yash. It's okay. Now we are crossing the borders. Everybody get into the cars. And Noida will show you how actually aesthetic is done. Let's go.
Much later.
After Gurgaon, we headed to Noida and landed up at this cafe with nice Asian vibes.
This is Zuki. Look at the color tones and the Asian vibe. Even for the Oppo F33 Pro, this is gonna be the ultimate test for skin tones and colors. Most phones over brighten the whites and make us look like ghosts. Now let's see what Oppo has got for us.
Let's go.
Let's go.
To our surprise, the Oppo F33 Pro once again came as a savior and saved us from the mess that is usually part of photos when shot in low light. The white balance is spot on, and again, the 100-degree field of view is the hero. We're sitting at a cramped up table, getting this entire decor and all of us without having to stand on a chair or something.
20 minutes later.
And now, finally, our last cafe of the day, Roastery Coffee House in Noida.
This is the real definition of aesthetics. It's iconic, indoor lighting, lots of wood texture, it's warm. So today we're gonna check, will Oppo F33 Pro separate us from the background without making bokeh look fake? Do you trust that?
I am not sure. Let's just check.
Same. Let's see.
This is actually a tough one for the competition. One of these other phones messed up so bad with the colors that I can't even think of posting this on my social media. The other one, while it's good, was so cropped up that half of the crew never even made it to the picture. But with the Oppo F33 Pro, the depth mapping is clean, everybody's part of picture, and look at the details. But let's not forget the competition, Gurgaon versus Noida, because we still need to find out the ultimate winner. So let's head back to the studio and see who actually wins and takes the crown.
The next day.
Alright guys, so we're back in our studio to have a look at two things. First is to have a look at all these photos, all these selfies, groupies that we've shot on the Oppo F33 Pro. And second, to decide which city has better vibe, better cafes, and overall a better ambience. Is it Gurgaon or Noida?
Noida, please.
Yeah, ठीक है.
Okay, so before Yash, we start talking about the winner, I want to discuss about the photos, please. Let's go.
ठीक है, but ये मुझे बिना हिलाए भी आप बोल
Please,
सकते
please,
थे.
please, start करो.
ठीक है. So let's talk about the group feast first because that's what we captured the most. We were a group of 7-8 people, and the group feast came out to be great. If you look at the competition, there is no competition because the field of view on the Oppo F33 Pro is just wider, and the widest. In fact, you know what? I even compared it to these other phones of the same segment, and as you can see, it's not just wider, it's way better when it comes to colors, details, HDR. You can even see the entire cafe interior. Echoes from the leopard trail captured beautifully in this photo. In this other phone, I'm barely in the frame. Okay? And in the Oppo F33 Pro, at least I've got some room to breathe. Right? The competition just feels claustrophobic. Yeah. This shot particularly has a different story to tell. Okay? It's from Zook.
Oh, it is Zuki.
Okay, ठीक है. Zuki एक ही मतलब ज़्यादा 19-20 हो गया भाई. ठीक है, चलता है. But look at this shot here. Well, this could have been just a normal shot. I decided to take things up a notch, make it a little more dramatic, a little more cinematic, a bit more colorful. And with the Oppo F33 Pro, I am capable of doing that. So there's a new feature. It's called Colorful Front Fill Lights that acts like a multi-color flash for selfies. You know, it allows users to add that colorful lighting and some more fun effects.
Wow.
ठीक है? All without leaving your camera application. You do not have to install some other app. You do not have to install a bunch of filters, all these shady apps. It's right there inside your camera app.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, look at these photos. It provides soft, adjustable colors, and this helps in making the subject face a bit more brighter, a bit more livelier, and more natural at the same time. Wow. It's especially intended for night selfies, right? For capturing those live moments where you just want to stand out from the crowd. And look at the sharpness on the GC50 F6 sensor. The 50 megapixel on front camera with autofocus is a game changer, yaar. I'm telling you, especially for the group shots. Even the person at the very back, even they are in focus here.
I know, Yash, you're always right. But you know what? There are some moments that you intend to capture along with emotion as well. So, have you captured something like that, Vela, in sun?
ठीक है यार, मतलब for this specific thing, I recorded this video sample. Look at this ना. I have this entire crew. ठीक है, the crew was having fun there in front of us. They were just chilling, and I had to capture this moment, right? So I used the dual view video recording on the Oppo F33 Pro. That puts the rear and the front camera to work at once. And all in all, it's a really cool feature to have if you have a really cool phone.
You know what, Yash? I also have a trick up my sleeve. With Oppo F33 Pro, you get Oppo Portrait Glow. That uses AI to enhance portrait photos automatically. It works by detecting faces in a photo and applying a natural-looking glow or studio-like lighting effect. It analyzes and adjusts lighting, particularly in challenging or low-light conditions, keeping the subject's skin tone natural. Also, let me show you something really cool here. Would you like to see that?
चलो भाई दिखाओ.
So, I select the images, tap on collage, and tap on pop out. It is a creative collage tool that uses AI to let you combine multiple images into single eye-catching photo where specific subjects appear to stand out from the frame. You can combine between 2 and 9 photos into one creative image, and as you can see, the images look so great. And do not forget, Yash, we've been running around all day, dropping this phone, spilling a bit of coffee. The good thing is that the Oppo F33 Pro has IP66, IP68, IP69 and IP69K rating.
So not only coffee, this thing can actually withstand 18 types of liquids including juice, cold drinks, tea, etc. And if that's not enough, the military standard 810H durability takes things up a notch, and this helps in setting up the Oppo F33 Pro as a whole other benchmark.
Also, can we talk about the battery now? We shot for hours, high-res videos and hundreds of selfies. And we used 5G for navigation. With that 7000 mAh battery, we didn't even hit 50% of the mark. Because this phone, this knows how to keep on going. Thanks to the 7000 mAh battery, it can go on for days in a single charge. Also, when it comes to the charging side of things, you don't have to worry there as well because of 80-watt Super VOOC fast charging.
And don't even get me started on the software side of things, because the Oppo F33 Pro comes with ColorOS 16 that is based on the latest Android 16. So it packs all of these new fancy features and also promises long-term software updates in the future. But ठीक है, ये सब रखते हैं 2 मिनट के लिए साइड में और बात करते हैं what is the verdict.
Alright, so for the best Group Fee phone, it is clearly the Oppo F33 Pro. You agree?
Yeah, definitely.
The front camera setup is just tuned for social groups. I'll give you the phone, but the city?
Gurgaon still has that vibe here. It still has that character, Krishika. Come on.
Yash, Gurgaon, Champu, please.
Arey bhai.
Now just look at this. The photos from Rose Tree literally look like a movie. Hey,
Bhai,
Noida
look
takes
at the
the
photos.
aesthetics.
Look at the photos from the leopard trail, yaar. Come on. Let's do one thing. Let the comments decide this. If you're team Gurgaon or team Noida, let us know. But if you're team Groupie, you already know which phone to pick. It's the Oppo F33 Pro. That is a beast.
Agreed. First time. Okay, now who is paying for the coffee, Yash?
ठीक है, you do it ना. You are the winner. ठीक है, I'll admit. You pay for the coffee.
Hey,
I'll leave.
typical Gurgaon.
Bye bye.
Bye.
12 seconds later.